Hi guys, I'm out in the garage today trying to find something to do for Fix It Friday. I get around this stuff here where my husband's been painting. He likes to refurbish his lawnmower every couple of years. He'll strip it and paint it. He's so funny that way. Anyways, I got a bunch of tables that kind of gave me that need to be refinished, and I'm thinking maybe I would do that. Or there's an old clock here. Here, 1 second, let me turn on my flashlight. Okay, that's much better. Anyways, it's bowed, so I would have to run that through the planer. That's an idea. Oh, I've got some I think those are 18 by 24 panels that I need to finish priming for some resin art. Here's a table that's full of stuff. I could resin that. That would be an indoor table. This is an idea. It's a fold out like little table. Dollhouse. Fix It Friday dollhouse. Needs to be renovated. Let's see. Oh, not really needs to be renovated. It's just got 2 rooms with 2 little rooms upstairs in the attic. Look, there's a little telephone. Isn't that cute? I think I'm going to remodel this, make it a little bigger. Maybe add on a second floor. Needs some, what are these? Shutters. Needs to have a new shutter fixed there. We could bring the porch out to the width of the house. I think that's an idea. I gotta put this back on it. All right, I think I have picked out my Fix It Friday project for the next year. Okay, let's do it. So I'll take that downstairs to the basement and we'll start the next Fix It Friday video. All right. Yeah, I'm excited, guys. What do you think? Are you excited too? Is there anybody who likes to do miniatures? Look, there's a little white doorknob on that door. Isn't that cute? Okay, I've got the house downstairs on my work table. I'm looking at it closely. See these little tab marks here? This was a kit. I can tell. So, I'm gonna do some research. Find out if I can find anything out about this house. But I did measure the inside from the floor to the ceiling, and it was 9 inches. So that means it's a 1/12 scale already. I already did that. And I think I'm going to name it the Naomi House, because this is going to be a gift for my granddaughter. And I actually found the broken broken shutter. But yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my camera on the tripod, and then we're going to go through a list of things that I want, but I don't know if I'll be able to do it all. So my wants are not necessarily what I'm going to do. All right, so what I would like to do add a 3rd room to the 1st floor. Change the door. Add siding. Extend the porch. Change windows. Whoops. add second floor. Add a chimney. Actually, I think I want it to have a wraparound. Because I know that here in the Midwest, there are a lot of farmhouses that have a wraparound porch. Just around two sides, maybe. The house doesn't have shingles on it, it's just board. So I want to add shingles. Okay, so I'm going to turn the house around and we're going to go in and look at the inside. Okay, here's the interior. Here, this is a partition from the doorway into the, I'm going to call this a living room. The room to the left is a kitchen. By the wallpaper, it looks like a kitchen to me. And in the attic, I think if I add the second floor, don't look at my background. I left my cabinet open. What a mess, what a mess, what a mess. Anyway, I think what I'll do is, if I add a second floor, I won't put an attic in. I will give it a vaulted ceiling and do some molding, some decorative molding in there, maybe. Who knows? I think that's what I want to do. Okay, so let's see. On the interior, we have a kitchen and a living room. I'm going to remove that partition. Now the third room on the first floor, bedroom, I don't know yet. Maybe a study. On the second floor, we'll have 3 rooms. Oh, you know what would be cool? We'll have 2 bedrooms. We'll turn that into a dressing room. And on that dressing room, put a balcony, whoops, on the front of the house, above that front porch. Wouldn't that be cool? Put French doors. Boy, oh boy, this is going to be a pretty fancy farmhouse. Okay, I will try to have a video every Friday where I go through each step. Now, on my list of things to do, like in the kitchen, I'm gonna have to put down things that I have to make, like upper cabinets, lower cabinets. I need a stove, a sink, a refrigerator, maybe a washer, dryer. No, we don't want to have to do, we don't want to be reminded of laundry in a dollhouse, right? The living room will need to have a sofa, 2 chairs, a coffee table, and in the study we'll put the fireplace there on the outside edge of the house, and we'll have to have a whole wall full of books and a desk and a chair and a couple overstuffed chairs. We'll have to have paintings, and we'll have to make mirrors, all that good stuff. I'm so excited! I hope you guys enjoy watching these, and I hope you will look forward to them as much as I am. I'm probably going to want to pull my hair out after the first video because I have to deconstruct it to a certain extent. Then figure out the thickness of the boards. This looks like 1/8 inch plywood. I could do foam board and then back it with something. I don't know. I'm going to have to do a lot of studying and watch a bunch of YouTube videos. But the thing that intrigues me the most is that stinking cute phone. Is that not the most adorable thing? it needs a little hook here because that came off. I think it hangs like that. So I'll have to repair that. I'll take it. Oops. It is so cute. Okay, guys. Every Friday. Hopefully. Fingers crossed. Thank you so much for your support. I so appreciate everyone's comments. Thank you so much. So, until next time, love you. Bye-bye.